height. Okay, yes. So we have got L into B for volume, right? Volume of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is area, into this height LBH, right? Okay, everyone. So for volume of cube, it is L into L into L, right? All the sides are same for cube, and for a cuboid, right, which is made up from a rectangle, yes. So it will be LBH. Everyone understands this? Everyone clear on this one? Give me a thumbs up if you have understood so far. Yes, Anya, Jeet, Dhwani. If it is clear, please give me a thumbs up. Yes. Dwij, very good. Shlok, yeah, good. Shanvi Sharma, very good. Very good. Yes, Het Patel, Prushti, Divyanshi. Come on, put your video on and give me a thumbs up, beta. Come on. Rishi, Dhruvika, Vansh, Jia Patel. Finally, you are in the class. I am happy. Come on. Yeah. Did you understand what I have just said? So now you can write that volume of a cube is equal to, for cube it is length, sorry, length into length into length, right? And volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height. Thus you have to write it down in your notebook. Shanvi Sharma, come on. Sorry. Yeah, come on. Or rather, even an easy formula, right? Volume of cube is equal to L into L into L, and volume of cube is equal to L into B into H. Come on, note it down in your notebook, everyone. सबको समझ में आ गया ये इतना इजी पार्ट, राइट? ये तो बहुत इजी है. यस युग, राइट? दिस इज वेरी इजी. डन. कम ऑन. द्विज पटेल, सिद्धि, निर्जा, काव्य, जिया. कम ऑन, finish it up. Dhruvika, Divyanshi, Prushti, put your videos on, beta. Vruta, keep your videos on. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right? Have you written it down, all of you? Yes. Yes. And what is the unit? Unit of volume. Manvi Modi is joining now. Okay. Unit of volume is equal to, or rather is cubed centimeter or cubed meter or cubed kilometer, right? That's the unit of volume. Now this is centimeter cube, okay, or meter cube or kilometer cube. Yes, that is, yes, I'm trying, but it is not happening. Okay, it's all right, beta. No problems. Thank you for informing. Thank you for informing me. Okay, all right. Come on. चलो लिख लो ये सब के सब लिख लो, है ना? राइट, सबने लिख लिया ये? गुड जॉब एवरीवन, गुड जॉब. Right, so what we will do next is, if you have got this formula, right, if you have got this formula, then you can close your notebooks and go to the workbook, maths workbook, maths workbook. Come on, open it up. Maths workbook. Go to page number 120. Go to page number 120. Go to page number 120. Come on. Yes, Dhwani, just a second. Yeah. Now, tell me, Dhwani.
So what about kilogram and gram?
Now, kilogram and gram, they are for weight measurements. Okay. When we talk about volume measurement, it is the space, right? But space that will be measured in the with the unit of length measurements, है ना? Centimeter, meter, and others. But they will be cubed, so that is called as volume. Okay, right? Come on. Yes. Okay. Now, I'm going to share the screen with every one of you for the workbook. All right. So here is the workbook for you. All right. In the worksheet 93, Yug. See, this is what we are talking about. Make a measuring bottle which can measure 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, up to 100 ml. First guess and then use your measuring bottle to find the volume of following things. Coin of 5 rupees, right? Now, Yug, are you still in United Kingdom? Yug, are you still in UK?
No.
You are back home.
Yes.
That's much better. That is much better. Okay, so
And so I have a question.
just a second. So how do we measure it? That I have explained earlier in my class, and the class has been uploaded on. You can check it out. Right. What you have to do is, just a second. You have to put these coins in that water bottle and see the water level rise, and that much you have to write. Yes. You, tell me about your question, beta.
My page is different to yours.
Okay. Is it just the page number or the entire page is different? Yeah, page number.
No, just mine is in grams, yours is in volumes.
Okay, okay, no problems. Yes, Aryan. Okay, okay, that's all right. Right, it will be in volume. Okay, yes, you have to use it in you have to use it in volume in ml. Okay, how much space it occupies, right? How much space does it occupy? You, if you see my previous video, you will understand this. Okay, right? Understood, everyone? Okay, so this is very easy. Now the second one, find the volume of the following boxes. Mahir, just a second, beta. Here you have been given the units, है ना? The length is given in centimeter or meters and kilometers, whatever it is. All right, what and how do we find out? We have to find out using the formula that I just showed you, right? So one by one you have to start doing it. Very simple. All right, just a second, Mahir. Let me show them the first example and then we can do it. Prushti, you hold on a second, beta. Right, so how will we do it? Right now, this is in this book, the solution which is given here, right? That's not the way we write it. How do we write it? In the notebook. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you in the notebook. So I'm going to share another whiteboard. Okay, going to the next one. Now here the volume is given, right? Volume is given to us in the workbook, that length is 2 centimeter, height width is 5 centimeter, and height is 8 centimeter. And then we have to find the volume of the cuboid. So we will write always length is equal to 2 centimeter, width or breadth is equal to 5 centimeter, and height is equal to 8 centimeter. Yes, this much we will always write first. Then volume is equal to L into B into H. Then 2 into 5 into 8. So that is going to be 80, right? That is going to be 80. And then centimeter cube, right? This is what we call centimeter cube. Yes, now you have to write it. Now this example, this is what you have to write. All these examples which are given in your workbook, you have to do it in your notebook. Okay, so in your notebook, how will you write it? First of all, obviously today's date, है ना? Today's date is what? 18th January, and worksheet number. Worksheet number is what here? What is the worksheet number? Right? What is the worksheet number today? 94. Right? So we will write worksheet number 94. Question number 1 and sub question number 1. Everyone, this is the way we will write it. Prushti, just a second, beta. Prushti and Mahir, just a second. Now everyone else can write, you can start writing this. Right? Prushti, tell me.
Sir, in your page there is in volume in milliliter written, and in my page there is written weight in grams, and in your it written 50 milliliter, and in mine it written 1550 gram.
Which one? Worksheet number 93 or 94, beta?
93.
Okay, worksheet number 93, this exercise I told you in the previous lesson, right? What we have to do. That's an activity based that you have to make the video, right?
Sir,
And
your voice has gone.
you have to make the video of this activity, right? That I have already assigned to you. Okay. All right, now focus on worksheet number 94. Now here the first example, like I showed to you, this is how we will write it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Dvij Patel, bolo beta. Mahir, just a second, huh?
Sir, we have to draw these shapes.
No, you don't need to draw the shapes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes, where is Mahir? Where did he go now? Hold on a second. I'll ask the question to Mahir first. Then I'll take up another question. Mahir Shah. He has been waiting for long. Yes, Mahir. Tell me, beta.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. There, I have the same problem. Like in your textbook, there is ml, and in my textbook, there is grams. So, sir,
Volume,
how to make?
volume is always measured in ml, and this one, right? Because when we talk about volume, see, volume here I am talking about centimeter cube, है ना? Sorry. I'm
Yes.
talking about centimeter cube. But when we are talking about the liquid, right? When we talk about the liquid, it is always measured in ml, right? That we already know, correct? Now,
Yes.
the volume that is occupied by say 5 coins, आपको book के अंदर 5 coins दिखा है ना, right? So that volume will be measured using milliliter, because that's a space, that's an indication of things, right? Measured with the help of liquid. So that will be measured in ml. Now this conversion from ml or liquid, right, ml to centimeter cube, right, that you will learn in 6th standard. Okay, so for now
Okay.
stick to it. Okay, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, Gia, tell me.
Sir,
Hmm.
Look at my screen.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, beta. Worksheet number 93, it's mentioned in gram. I understand. I understand. Now, then in grams, right? It seems like that it appears that that is a printing mistake, but it's all right. Okay, I just explained everything to my head. Anna, if you had paid attention, you would have understood by now. Yes, come on, come on, everyone. So first one is easy, right? Yeah, okay. Right, everyone. So going for the second one, right? Going for the second one, which is 10, 4, and 6, right? 10, 4, and 6. L is 10 centimeter, B is 4 centimeter, and H is equal to 6 centimeter. So volume is equal to, yeah, LBH, which is 10 into 4 into 6. The answer will be 240 centimeter cube. Yeah? Yes, Nirja, just a second. Nirja. Bolo, Nirja.
Sir, you said that we worksheet number 94 homework we have to do in notebook. Sir,
Yes,
1 to 12 all examples we have to do.
in the notebook only.
Yes, sir. All examples are
All the examples.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, okay. Yes. Yes, 240 centimeter cube. But Dhwani, the way I have written, see the 3 I have written little bit above, like we used to do it for square also. Hai na? That is called as superscript, right? Or raised to the power of 3. Again, the importance of raising to the power, hai na? Ye power wala portion that you will study in higher studies in 6, 7. Okay, so everyone understands this part by now. Yeah, okay. Yeah, everyone got it, right? 240 centimeter cube, everyone. I have just closed it. That's all right, don't worry. You know how to do it. Yes, right, everyone. Come on, everyone got it. All you have to do is multiplication. This is not a big deal, hai na? This chapter, it's not very difficult one. It's all about how to do the proper calculation. So homework, today's homework, worksheet number 94 you have to complete, है ना? Worksheet number 94 you have to complete it. That's what it is. Okay, right? Yes, everyone. Yes, everyone understand it completely. Very good, perfect, perfect. Okay, so again, one more time, if you have done your work, if you have done the activities, you can see the clear cut instructions on page number worksheet number 96, worksheet number 96, activity part, question number 4, objective, to explore the concept of volume, right? Hold on a second, let me share the screen with you. This is the place, right? This is the activity. You missed out on this one, so you can do it this way again, right? You can do it this way, right? This is the activity that you need to do, and then you have to put in different coins, different objects that you can measure the volume. Okay, yeah, everyone understood? Everyone clear on this one? Good, good. Well, that's it for the day, right? Worksheet number 94, right? That will be your homework. Remaining 10 examples, you can do it, not an issue. And then we will see some more different types of example tomorrow. Aryan, what is your question, beta?
सर अभी आपने हाउ हैवी का चैप्टर कराया था, उसमें अगर मैंने
₹100 की सब्जी ली तो उसने अगर सब्जी को तोला तो कितना हुआ उसमें वो ग्राम?
ग्राम्स कितना होगा? वो तो 100 रुपए की कितनी सब्जी आती है वो देखना पड़ेगा ना, कितने रुपए का किलो है या वो तो देखना पड़ेगा ना। ठीक है, यस, ओके, दैट्स इट फॉर द डे एवरीवन। आई विल सी यू टुमारो। बाय बाय, जय हिंद।